All right, we're evaluating some more expressions. These ones are very similar to the last one, so I'm going to keep this video short. Just show you some things about the worksheet to make sure you get it, since the notations are a little different. First of all, you can skip number 7 because it has an exponent, and I missed that when I was creating the worksheet or finding worksheet. So you can go ahead and skip that one. Note, okay, 10 parentheses x minus b is not something we've seen before. If I have a number that's right next to the parentheses like that, that means multiply. Okay, so just like if I have a number next to a variable like 3x or 3z, that means multiply. If it's like invisible like that, that also means times. So I would substitute in just like before. In this case, I have 2 variables, so I would put 8 in for x. So I'm going to rewrite it. I would put 8 in for x, so keep my minus, 3 in for b. I would do what's inside my parentheses first. 8 minus 3 is 5. Notice I still wrote the parentheses, because if I got rid of them, I would just have a number next to a number. And now I know, okay, that means multiply, so that is going to be 50. All right? If there's an operation like minus, then we minus. But if there's no operation, that means times. Other than that, this is pretty similar to the last one, like I said, except sometimes we just have 2 variables that have different values instead of just one variable. But we still need to substitute the number in where we see the variable, use order of operations to evaluate from left to right. And since this is a should do, you don't have to do it. You can choose sort of how many of these you would like to give a try. If you want to just give some of them a try, if you want to give all of them a try, it's good practice, but it is up to you since it's optional. Let me know if you need help. I would love to help you on this, help you practice evaluating expressions. Good luck.